Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to see how we can use Android Drawable Importer and Android Architect Fox. So let's move to the screen. So first you have to download Android Drawable Importer, which link will be in the description. So click on the link and download the Drawable Importer. I have already downloaded, so move to download. So I have ADI hack 0.8. Now go to the file, setting, plugin, and here in setting, install plugin from disk, download, and yes, that's one. ADI hack. Okay, click OK, and apply. Let's start the ID. If you are not my subscriber, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, it will take a time a little bit. Okay, so build finished, and now we are going to try to import the images. Let's try it. New. As you can see that the Android Drawable Importer forked. Now click the patch Drawable Importer, and I want to add something. So okay, download. So download.png. Click OK. Yes, first it's work. Now let's insert the image. Image view. Wrap content. Sorry. Wrap content and src and source. Should be download. As you can see, finally it worked. So that's all about this video. I hope you will like this video, and please subscribe our channel.